खुशी नहीं है गुरु, वो मूवीज पे ऐसे चिल करके नहीं देखना चाहते मैन. They want to. So bro, you gotta understand it. Why Modi is still ruling, man. Why there is SRK, he's still making movie even though he's getting old. Why all those? Why Ronaldo is still playing? Why Virat Kohli is still on the pitch? Why he's making centuries? क्यों भाई इतना क्या हो गया भाई? क्योंकि तेरे माइंडसेट देखें तो तू लाइक भाई सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज तो पैसा है. They have all the money. Why they're fucking doing all this thing? This thing. क्योंकि वो यहाँ से गरीब नहीं है गुरु. They're fucking chasing. Because you need to understand it. एक ऐसा पॉइंट आता है लाइफ इंसान की लाइफ में जब पैसा जो होता है ना, पैसा कुछ नहीं है गुरु. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. पैसा इज जस्ट द ब्रिज. दैट्स द ब्रिज. वो जो भी तेरे नॉर्मल जो खर्चे हैं ना लाइफ के, वो बस शट कर देता है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग जो उसके बाद स्टार्ट होती है, इट्स हु यू आर, व्हाट यू गोइंग टू क्रिएट, व्हाट इज योर एम्बिशन, व्हाट इज योर प्लान, who you are trying to become. That's what it start. And that's what exactly they are trying to do. They're breaking records, bro. They're chasing what nobody else is chasing. They're doing all it because they want to do it. Because they know it has a fucking purpose. There's an inner desire that they want to do it. वो अंदर से बोल रहे हैं कि गुरु हमें करना है, हमें घर बैठना ही नहीं है. Why the fuck I want to sit at my home and look at all the praises? I don't want to. एक टाइम पे पूरी दुनिया तेरे को बोलेगी बाबा तू ग्रेट है. फिर क्या हुआ? पूरी दुनिया ने बोल दिया. अब नेक्स्ट क्या है? अपना नेक्स्ट है कि तेरे अंदर वो डोपामिन जो है ना वो नम हो गया है. लाइक यू नो कि बाबा यार SRK he goes out and everybody yeah SRK I'm fan, give me autograph, take a selfie. He said yeah okay. But the fact is, you know why he's still making movies? Because उसके अंदर जो है ना वो डोपामिन खत्म हो गया है. वो अपने अंदर को ना और स्ट्रेच करना चाहता है, अपने माइंड को और स्ट्रेच करना चाहता है कि वो डोपामिन एक नया लाए. एंड व्हेन ही गोना वॉच हिमसेल्फ ऑन द स्क्रीन, ही नो दैट आई क्रिएटेड सम ग्रेट वर्क. वो जब विराट कोहली नेक्स्ट सेंचुरी मारता है, ही वांटेड टू, वो घर जाके देखना चाहता है कि यार it was good, it was fucking good. And when Narendra Modi do something great for the country, he's like yeah I did great thing. I'm fucking doing something great for this country. It's the mindset, it's the ambition, it's the greed towards the glory, towards the change, it's the greed. और जब वो उनके अंदर रहती है greed for purpose, brother, और तेरी वो खत्म कर दी है समाज ने. Society tells you yes work, and then eventually lives for the weekend, and then your life became empty, brother. How many people who are making a lot of money but their life is empty? They are not happy. वो खुशी नहीं है गुरु. वो मूवीज पे ऐसे चिल करके नहीं देखना चाहते man. They want to build. A man is only happy once he build, bro. Once he start to create something. That's why they're creating, guru. That's why you're creating and you're fucking consuming. You're consuming and it's good. भाई तू cheering करने नहीं आया इस दुनिया में. You have the same mind, same body. Then why you are not working? Why are you not creating something? Why are you looking at those people? You must create. You must go beyond. You need to understand it. If they did it, why can't you, brother? You have a time. You have an internet. You have all the resources that you need in order to become one of the greatest being on this planet. Then what's sticking in your? Why you still at your fucking home, at your couch, using all the data and not producing the work? Just consuming like a pussy. You need to understand it. अगर तेरे को कुछ भी करना है इस दुनिया में, you gotta sacrifice. You need to develop those ambition. You need to develop that greed. You need to develop that perfectionist mindset. I repeat, bro. तेरे को ना perfection के पीछे जाना पड़ेगा. Because once you do the work, eventually, simple. You're doing the work, okay, just put it. But the next time you always chase perfection. Once you chase the perfection, whatever you're doing it, put it out there. But the fact is, it doesn't mean वो इतना ही upgrade हो सकता है. You always chase perfection because the perfection the more perfection you chase, the more better you become, the more smarter you become, the more aura you create, the more smarter you become. और इसी हिसाब से गुरु तो ग्रेट बनता जाता है. That's why Modi always looks sharp. SRK always has that aura. Ronaldo is still playing. Kohli is still ruling. That's it, brother. Take care.